Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about mud built houses and metal houses because during these recent rains I have heard in news in my neighboring areas that a mud built house collapsed during night period and 10 family members were sleeping below the roof and those were found dead. When the news spread around the locality, people gathered there and they found the dead body and they sent them to near hospitals. So I think that people, those are rich people in each and every society. There are poor people and also there are some rich people. This is the responsibility of those rich people to make it sure with the collective efforts they can make a good support of those people who are not able to build their metal houses and still they are living in old mud built houses that are dangerous, especially during rain season. And this is the responsibility of government also, that we all people, those are rich, should try to give the facilities to poor people, best facilities, such as we can build 2-room house for them so that they can be safe during winter season, because due to heavy rains there are much chances that mud built houses are collapsed. And I think that when we will do the collective effort to give others facilities, support, then we will build a good society. The society that takes care of each and everybody, and this will be the good message, and this is the responsibility of all people. If you are living in a society, look around yourself, there might be some mud built houses and you should try to support them so that they can also live a good life. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.